Hey there, Lemonheads. Ever tried generating images of figures like Kanye West or Joe Biden in MidJourney? Well, that works perfectly fine. However, you might have noticed the challenge of maintaining a consistent character portrayal even with identical prompts, right? Well, guess what? There's an exciting new development that allows you to create your very own characters within the realms of MidJourney. You can even insert yourself into this creative landscape. This approach is great for artists, designers, writers, and anyone using MidJourney, really. Ready to dive in? Let me walk you through the process. Let's go. Step 1. Gather your target images. For good character, consistent target images, we need to make sure the skin color, body type, hair color, and the shape of the face are the same. There are 2 options to obtain the target images. Let's do option 1 first. Here we head over to any image search website. I really like to use Adobe stock images for this endeavor. Now search for the type of character you would like to create. Only the skin color, body type, hair color, and the shape of the face are important. Okay, now go to MidJourney and type /describe. Now drag in the image you selected in Adobe Stock and press enter. Now MidJourney provided us with 4 prompts. These describe the images. Let's generate all the 4 prompts. Now choose one image you like and generate it. Now to create several target images, we just copy the prompt, change the location each time, and let's also add her hair color and hairstyle each time. What we are doing, in other words, is creating a prompt formula that we can use again and again to create target images. Like I said, just tweak the prompt a bit. In this case, I made her stand in front of a Bentley Bentayga. Here are the target images I chose. Now let's explore option 2. For this, we go to cart.ai. This is an amazing free-to-use AI image generator. Let's go and search for images for our target images. Look, I found this one. Now click on Try. Look at that. Now here we get a prompt with which we can create character-consistent images. When you look at the right, you can see that it has selected an AI image model. Now let's generate some images with that prompt. And also sometimes tweak the prompt a bit. When you are wondering why she is blonde, well, these target images are for the second character I want to create. Here are the images. Now we have enough target images. By the way, you can also create your own AI image models, but for that, you need to buy credits. Let's go to the next step. Step 2. Gather your source image. Now we need to obtain a source image, meaning you have to decide on the specific face you want to overlay onto the target images that we collected in step 1. This will be the face of the character you want to create. When selecting the image, ensure that the facial features are distinct and clearly visible, much like a passport photo. And naturally remember that the higher the quality of the image, the better the final outcome will be. I will choose this image we generated earlier as my source image. Step 3. Connect the face swap bot. If you haven't already, let's set up our own private MidJourney Discord server. Start by going to the left side and clicking the plus icon for Add a Server. Opt for Create My Own. And then choose For Me and My Friends. Name your server. I'll call it Character Consistent Images. Click Create. To complete the MidJourney server, add the MidJourney bot. Head to the official MidJourney server, find Member List on the right, and locate the MidJourney bot. If the member list isn't visible, click Show Member List. Once found, click the bot, then select Add to Server. Pick the server you just made and hit Authorize. Your setup is now ready. Now, let's integrate a face swap bot into our private MidJourney server. To accomplish this, follow the GitHub link provided in the video description. Once on the page, navigate to the step-by-step guide section. There, in point 2, you'll find a direct Discord link. Click on this link, choose your private MidJourney Discord server, and hit Continue. This adds another bot to your server. Return to your private MidJourney server. You'll notice the newly added bot, named Insight Face Swap Bot, on the right-hand side. Kudos to the ingenious creators behind this tool. Now let's move on to the final step. Step 4. Creating character-consistent images. Let's dive into how this operates. We're about to unleash the face-swapping bot's superpowers. Open up our custom MidJourney server. Type /saveid. Enter an ID name, which will serve as a label for our source image face. I'll name it Girl1. Once the name is in, drag the source image into the provided box and hit Enter. Wait for the confirmation that your ID name has been created. Now comes the intriguing part. Enter /swapid, followed by the ID name. Drag the target image into the designated box and then press Enter. Look at that! Let's do that some more. Here are all the results, from before and after. I replicated this exact process for another character that I called Girl2. I used this image as the source image, and to be honest, in hindsight, I took a source image that looks almost too close to the target image. It is because I took it from the same C-art model, but it is just to give you an idea how it works, and that in this case, you can create multiple IDs. Hey you, yes you look kinda hungry. Just type ding ding dong dong in the comments and I will send you a cookie. Here are all the before and after results for the Girl2 character. And there you have it, Lemonheads. I hope you've grasped the technique of generating character-consistent images in MidJourney. Now go ahead and enjoy the creative process yourself. Join the AI revolution and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.